Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look. You've been warned. So look. Here I come in 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang. Welcome, everybody. Black, white. Look, gay, straight. Why not? Christian, Muslim, Jew. Yes. My name is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Bang! And we have a great show for you today. Yes, we have a great show for you today. Yes, my little voodoo people. You guys like that little thing I tweeted yesterday? Just that. Shmari, man, how do you make all that money in the markets? Just a little voodoo. Just a little. Just a little voodoo. That's how we do it. Just a little voodoo. Inside me and you. What are you going to do? Look, all right, let's get to the stories. Bah! My voodoo people. Magic people. Voodoo people. All right. Ah, shit. I got to start with a bad story. That's why I put it at the front, so we can end with some good shit. Look at this shit. I know. Nigeria bans banks from crypto services. And I'm going to tell you, ooh, fuck Nigeria, who cares? Yeah, well, you know, China's running around Nigeria. Nigeria right now is booming. All right, we'll talk about Africa and China and all that when we get there. Africa's booming, you motherfucker. If you're a market master, you know what the importance of that is. Of course, they don't show it on your TVs here, but yeah, Africa's booming. All right, so let's get there when we get there. All right, and then we get to some good stuff. Ernst & Young, the number one accounting firm in the world, is going to deploy on Ethereum on China's, so that China blockchain thing I told you about yesterday. So they're going to go on the China Blockchain Service Network, Ernst & Young, on Ethereum. So I guess it's really an Ethereum onboarding. All right, and then Protogo gets OCC charter as a national bank. And so this is like a cryptocurrency custody company. And wow, they're now a chartered fucking bank here in America, son. And so, all right. And then we will yap about the OCC and the banking system and all that, because there's a little yap to yap about. All right, so let's proceed how we proceed with a little bit of bang. All right, let's do how we normally do. Let's start ourselves off with the usual. What are we working with? Bitcoin, $39,598. All right. And so Bitcoin's 37. Sorry. Let me get a sip. All right. Bitcoin's $39,000, $598. When I left you yesterday, it was $37,263. So we've gone up. All right, let's do the daggone math. We have gone up. $2,300 and all right, $2,335 since yesterday. That's about right. All right, look, top 10 of the day, brothers, sisters. You know what the story is. Usual suspects, top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, XRP, Polkadot, Cardano, Binance Coin, Litecoin, Chainlink, and Bitcoin Cash. Let's see what the market moves of the day are. Single digits up, single digits down. Holy, Cardano has been rip-roaring it. Dang, glad I got those when I did. All right. All right. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Look at Maker, 17% up. Ooh, Cosmos. Did I read about? Oh yeah, I read about that Cosmos yesterday. That's right. Yeah, they went into the Chinese blockchain thing I'm about to read to you right now about Ernst & Young. Yeah, that's how it should be. Fucking good news like that, it should go up like that. Bang! Cosmos hodlers. Single this up, single this down. Fucking VeChain. IOTA. Holy 58. Nice. I don't remember where I bought those. Single this up, single this down. Single this up, Elrond, all right. Single this up, single this down. Single this up, single this two. Single this up, single this down. So, let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because it is on sale. Let's check it out. Let's do a little bit of... Let me get my mouse. Okay. Bye. There we go. All right, a little bit of sales around these parts. All right, top 10 losers. Thorchain, Ren, Swissborg, Solana, Alpha Finance Lab, UMA, Voyager Token, Near Protocol, and... sorry. What's going on here? And Ocean Protocol. Let's see who made money today. See who our top gainers are. What's going on here? There we go. All right. Top 10 gainers. Cosmos, IOTA, Binance Coin, Pancake Swap, Decentraland, Elrond, Maker, Loopring, IOST, and Bitcoin Cash. All right. Let's see what total market cap is. Yes. All right. All right. $1.198 trillion. When I left you yesterday, we were at $1.136 trillion. So we've gone up 6.2. Wait. Sorry. See, I got to figure out what that is in billions of dollars. Well, $0.6.2 trillion. All right, there you go. That's how we went up. All right, 24-hour volume is $174.2 billion. When I left yesterday, we were at $170.1 billion. Billion dollars. So we've gone up $4.1 billion in our 24-hour volume. All right, let's get to the stories. I know this piece of shit I got to say first here. Bye. Nigeria Central Bank officially bans banks from servicing crypto clients. So, I don't know, you're probably thinking, well, Nigeria's small. Yeah, well, first of all, Nigeria is major in Africa. And, Africa right now is booming. That's the new Asia, right? Africa's the new Asia. When I was a kid, Asia was the place that started booming. That's why we have a place called China, right? Wow. That's why China's so powerful right now, right? They were a third world country when I was a little kid. Yeah, they're the second largest economy in the world right now, aren't they? And so China's throwing that money around, and they're throwing it all around Africa. They're trying to win influence in Africa and keep America. So America, we have influence in South America, right? And America doesn't allow China really to get in South America. Anytime a Chinese company tries to come over there or whatever, America outbids them or does whatever to stop it. I'm sure some shenanigans, some briberies and stuff too. But, Africa's wide open. And so Africa's been wide open for like the past, I don't know, about 7 years now. And, China rolled in and they're just throwing billions of dollars all around Africa. And so Nigeria is one of the major places that they're doing that. Nigeria and Kenya are the major biggest ones that they're doing that in. And like I told you guys already, I have Nigerian buddies here that, here in America, we have Austin, Texas. It's a city in Texas called Austin. And there's a huge Nigerian community. And what's happening is those Nigerian parents, they came here to America, we want our children to have, and American life and American schools and all this. Yeah, well, the kids are taking their American degrees back and heading back to Nigeria. Yeah, leaving their fucking mom and dad here. Well, thanks, Mom, for the education in here. Thanks for the American stuff. Fuck that. But we're going back to Nigeria because obviously when you have an American degree, yeah, well, you're a master in Nigeria compared to the Nigerians that only have, Nigerian university degrees. And so, plus your parents give you money and whatnot, right? And so, Nigeria is booming right now. Actually, most of Africa is. The the MENA region, Middle East, North Africa means MENA, but the NA, the NA region, I guess the North African region, yeah, they've got a bunch of little terrorists and whatnot running around. Yeah, but the rest of Africa is rocking and rolling. And so this sucks. I guess. So what are you saying, Shamari? I guess it all boils down to this sucks. Now, obviously, this isn't like if the European Union said it or if America said it or China, but we want everyone to service crypto, right? Don't want these little politicians banning stuff and then other politicians around the world get some ideas, you know what I'm saying? Get an idea. All right, so we have to read this because it was the biggest story of the day. Normally, I would just tell you it, but it was too mega, so we got to read it. So let us proceed and get this piece of shit over with. All right, the Central Bank of Nigeria has issued a circular directing financial institutions of the country against dealing with cryptocurrencies or providing services to cryptocurrency exchanges. The circular, dated February 5th, 2021, clearly states that all deposit money banks, DMBs, non-financial institutions, NBFIs, and other financial institutions must identify their customers who deal with cryptocurrency and close their accounts immediately. Daggone. I mean, that's some cold-blooded shit. You woke up yesterday, you were a crypto master. You wake up today, your shit's about to get fucking shut down, son. Like, imagine that was you. All right, yeesh. Banks that fail to comply with the directive will attract severe regulatory sanctions, the circular warns. The latest directive would represent a tougher stance on cryptocurrencies than an earlier 2017 circular from the CBN, where it warned financial institutions that chose to service crypto clients that they did so at their own risk. It also comes as a surprise given the Nigerian Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, had promised to publish further guidance on how the country will regulate cryptocurrency. Right, so these guys are waiting for regs, and all of a sudden they got a ban. It sucks. Is the CBN ban on crypto already in effect? With the Apex Bank circular dated with immediate effect, Nigerian cryptocurrency holders already report issues withdrawing funds from exchanges, with the said banks declining to process the transactions. Some banks are also reportedly threatening to flag or close customer bank accounts if they do not stop using it to move funds to and from crypto exchanges. See that shit? So imagine basically what that means is, here in America, I don't know about you guys, but I use Coinbase to get my fiat to the crypto world, and then I crypto out from there. Yeah, well, if the bank was just like, nah, dog, we're not even gonna take your transfers to or from your Coinbase thing. Shit, what would I do then, right? How would I offboard my fiat? Like, I'm not planning on cashing in my crypto now, but if I felt like it, where would I do that? Right? Wow. I guess there's a couple other choices, but all right. So Nigeria is unarguably Africa's largest Bitcoin market, according to several metrics. On Binance alone, the BTC NGN pair recorded an 11 billion naira, $28.8 million volume in the last 24 hours alone. Fuck. with the P2P platform Paxful recording an average of 2.8 million daily volume. So the Nigerian crypto market's rapid growth has largely been buoyed by the nation's restrictive financial system and inflationary currency that has dipped by over 30% over the dollar amid the coronavirus pandemic. Until now, users can easily buy crypto via debit cards or bank transfer on cryptocurrency exchanges, and also convert crypto to Naira seamlessly. However, the ban will introduce new restrictions that the burgeoning market will take a while to get a grip with. Well, what grip? You're banned. Worth noting is that Nigeria's central bank is now walking the same path as the Reserve Bank of India. That's that shit we talked about, right? We've been watching that India thing for a long time. Couple of years. Which issued a similar circular to local banks back in 2017. Last year, the prohibition was ruled unjust by the Supreme Court. We read about that here, paving the way for cryptocurrency businesses to start flourishing. So what they're saying is, hopefully, someone will take these guys to court, and the Nigerian, Supreme Court will overrule this. Yeah, we'll see all about that. So bummer. Nigeria, daggone. That's sad to see. That's sad to see. All right, but there's nothing we can do about it, so let's not cry over spilt milk. Let's move on. Bang! Ernst & Young, EY, deploys blockchain products on China's blockchain-based service network. So, on yesterday's show, I explained what the BSN is. Right? There's two of them. There's the China-only version, which is, the Chinese citizen version, which is permissioned, and monitored, obviously, by the Communist Party of China. And then there's the international version, which is, have at it, right? Get loose. And so Ernst & Young, is the number one accounting firm in the world. So they're mega, obviously. Like if your country goes into recession or something, yeah, Ernst & Young is the one who looks at the books of your government. You know what I mean? Like during the housing crash, yeah, Ernst & Young is the one who looks at the books of the banksters. You know what I mean? Like, it's mega. And I told you before, we read it here. Ernst & Young says that they're going to be sort of pushing Ethereum to a bunch of their clients because of one thing, what I've told you. No vendor lock-in. No vendor lock-in when you use Ethereum. And so Ernst & Young is going to deploy a couple products. So they're going to deploy them on Ethereum. So that's why I'm reading this. It's an onboarding for Ethereum. In other words, Ernst & Young isn't just talking about Ethereum being a valuable blockchain, but now they're actually using it, putting their money where their mouth is. And then, so that's why I'm reading it first, just in general. But then it also ties into yesterday's story where, we read about just China's blockchain, right? Wow. We read about Cosmos being in it, right? So, all right. So let me get a sip. We shall proceed. All right, Ernst & Young, one of the world's largest professional services networks, is expanding its blockchain services in China in partnership with major local blockchain projects. According to a February 5th announcement, Ernst & Young will deploy its blockchain products on the Ethereum blockchain. Bah! And blockchain open source platform run by Tencent-backed financial blockchain Shenzhen Consortium, or FISCO. So on Ethereum and FISCO. That was a long way of saying that. So Ernst & Young will specifically offer its two blockchain solutions. Blockchain solution number one, Ernst & Young Blockchain Analyzer and both of them, sorry. Two solutions, Ernst & Young Blockchain Analyzer and Ernst & Young's OpChain through the Chinese National Blockchain Initiative, the blockchain-based service network. The offerings will be available to users in China as well as across the entire Ernst & Young Asia Pacific region. Designed for business interaction via public and private blockchains, Ernst & Young's OpChain will be the first EY solution deployed on BSN. According to the announcement, the service availability will be subject to regulatory approval. Yifan He, executive director of the BSN Development Association, told Cointelegraph that EY will need approval from the State Information Center of China. He noted that it's not totally legal to run public chain nodes in China, in accordance with regulations by the Cyberspace Administration of China. But an IT system in China to access public chain nodes outside China is not illegal. So they're going to have to just, become compliant. So which they will, obviously, because Ernst & Young will mostly deploy the related products on framework Fisco, BSOS, BCOS, we've been working together to do integration for a while, he added. All right. Ernst & Young global blockchain leader Paul Brody said that the new development is a major step forward in connecting the world's largest economies through blockchain technology. China is one of the largest markets for blockchain technology in the world, and this is the Ernst & Young organization's first big step in deploying the Ernst & Young blockchain platform in a scalable manner. By offering both Fisco, BCOS, and Ethereum, Ernst & Young professionals will serve clients within China and across the Asia-Pacific region and connect those users to the global blockchain. So, as previously reported, Fisco, BCOS, is an open source and coinless blockchain platform designed for financial service developers. The initiative's founding members include major local Chinese companies like WeBank, Tencent Cloud, Huawei, and Shenzhen Securities Communication. In 2019, Fisco BCOS was selected as the technology infrastructure for BSN. Oh, okay, now I see. A state-backed initiative aiming to help businesses deploy blockchain-based. All right, so they are bang. All right, so first of all, bang, Ethereum hodlers. This is all going to be on Ethereum, which is part of this China blockchain thing. And so because they're with this Fisco BCOS company, they will be compliant in China, because China doesn't allow, we talked about this yesterday, right? Like the Chinese government, they just don't allow certain shit, right? And so, but if these guys are going to do with the Fisco BCOS, so they'll be compliant. And then obviously on the international version of the China blockchain network, wow, you could do what you want, right? They don't care, what a German guy does or, anyone else does, right? Some guy from Chile does, All right, so this is really a bang to Ethereum hodlers, but also just to show you guys, to show Ethereum hodlers, we talked about it before. Ernst & Young said they're going to promote Ethereum. Well, not only are they going to promote it, but they're using it. Yeah, great. All right, so let's move on. Bang, crypto custodian Protocol gets national charter from the OCC. So, and this is the second one. Anchorage also got one. I didn't really read these because I didn't read the Anchorage one. That was like last week or the week before. Did I or did I not read it? Maybe I did read it to you guys. I don't remember actually now that I think about it. But what it is these are crypto custodian companies that have gone through all the regulatory loops and hoops and loops, and now they've gotten national trust bank licensing, right? So they're now actual banks in America. Whereas, I'm always talking about, the OCC allowed our banks to custody crypto. Well, these are custodians that are becoming banks, right? So you see how it's going? Banksters can now custody crypto. Well, now the crypto custody guys are going to be able to be banksters. So that's what they got. They got their national trust banking license. And that other one, Anchorage, also did. Actually, Anchorage is from Wyoming. Remember I read to you about that lady? She's going into Congress from Wyoming. Yeah, Wyoming. Yeah, this fucking fucking loser state. Oh, well, they're the crypto monsters. I think Anchorage got their charter out of Wyoming too. Yo, Wyoming, man. Right? They're a bunch of farmers. Like literally cattle rustlers. You know what I mean? Like guys who like wrestle cattle. You know what I mean? Like here in South Beach, we go to the nightclub, on the weekend. We go out to dinner, take a girl out to dinner, a nightclub, a little dessert, something. In Wyoming, their entertainment on the weekend, you take the girl to the local, fucking rodeo. Yeah, like a literal rodeo, with a guy on a fucking bull jumping up and down. Yeah, like that. Like that. Yeah, but they're the crypto masters of America, man. Don't get twisted. Don't get twisted. They're the masters. All right, I thought I'd just mention that. I mean, I mentioned it yesterday, but just for people who don't know, I mean, I know you Americans know what Wyoming is, but for you people who don't live here in America, Google Wyoming and look at it. Yeah, look at it. Like go to Google Wyoming and just look at the picture part. Does that look like crypto country? Does that look like high-tech country to you? Oh, well. It is. All right, huh? Fuck, though, Wyoming. Like I said, I don't even know what the capital city of Wyoming is, New York, capital city. All right, Albany. Florida, capital city. Tallahassee. You know the capital cities of places, Wyoming. Fuck a capital city. I don't even know any cities in Wyoming. Right? There's no sports teams. There's no nothing. Fucking just cows. Anyways, enough of my yap about Wyoming. I guess what I should be saying is, wow, you little rednecks are getting quite innovative. It's good to see you guys. Welcome to the goodie room. Really, I should be welcoming them. Fucking shit kickers, welcome. Yeah. Maybe you guys will make enough money and build yourself a real city. Welcome to the real world. All right, so look. The Office of the Comptroller of the Currency has granted another crypto firm a national charter. Per an announcement shared with Cointelegraph today, Washington-based institutional crypto custodian Protogo is the second crypto-native firm to get national licensing from the who? Holy, the OCC is just so crypto-friendly. The OCC. And the guy who runs the OCC now, he was on a Ripple advisory board. It's just an advisory board, but, he knows crypto, right? Man, that's what I'm telling you. This administration here, we've got an ex-Ripple advisory board guy. Forget Ripple, but he's a crypto advisory board guy. It doesn't matter. These are running the OCC, and then we got Gary motherfucking Gensler about to take the helm at the SEC. Look. The man taught blockchain at MIT. Oh, yeah. He's a blockchain master, right? He's not just a financial guy, but he is. Well, he was he was the head of the CFTC before. Did a whole bunch of financial stuff. That's how I know the guy. I didn't know he was a blockchain master until I read that shit to you a couple months ago. Or whenever I read it. So we've got Gary Gensler, blockchain master, market murderer, part of the SEC. Yes, America. Yeah, that's some good shit. Thank God this guy Biden won. Yeah, we'd still be dealing with fucking Jay Cockblock Clayton. Bunch of fuckery. All right, so the new charter is conditional, and Protocol is authorized as a national trust bank rather than a traditional bank, meaning that it will not handle deposits. Interestingly, Protocol is a relatively new firm and is still in the process of organizing. It will have 18 months to launch operations before the current charter expires. Okay, so which I've told you guys about that before. There are many banks in America, thousands, but some of them are not allowed to take public deposits. You're not allowed to take deposits from citizens. So I guess that's what they're saying. These guys are not allowed to take citizens' deposits. I don't know why they wouldn't be allowed to take business ones, though. Anyway, let's see. I don't know. The OCC is the Office of the Treasury. The OCC is the Office of the U.S. Treasury responsible for regulating national banks. Over the past year, it has been made much work of integrating crypto into this purview, including giving the first national charter of this kind to Anchorage just last month. Not everyone has been happy with the OCC's interest in onboarding crypto firms. A consortium of state banking regulators recently filed suit against the OCC over Figure's application for a national charter, claiming that the OCC is stretching the definition of a bank beyond recognition. That's true. I mean, well, I'm not saying it's true or not. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know. But also here in America, here in Congress, the Financial Services Committee is also giving the OCC a bunch of shit, right? That, and then like this, they're stretching the definition of what a bank is. In other words, they're making it super loose, right? Super loose to get, recognized as a bank and stuff. Whatever, man. I'm not saying I agree or disagree, whatever. As long as it doesn't fuck with our crypto, fine. I don't give a fuck what you do with the banks. All right, so then here we go. We have another crypto custodian turned bank, not a full bank in that they can take client deposits, so they can't take soccer moms and dads' money. But I'm sure they can do business stuff, and well, that's what we care about. Institutional money coming, right? And when it comes to soccer mom and dad giving us their money, don't worry. Our regular banks here in America, Wells Fargo, TD Bank, Bank Ameritrade, Citibank, they'll be bringing us that money. And like I showed you, Fidelity. Oh, Sloppy, you like the kill zone, right? Exactly. When I showed you, when Fidelity brings them into the kill zone, well, it's game over. You getting killed, son. All right, let's move on. Bye. What we got going around these parts? Kenneth Hines. Look. Oh, you changed the picture. Larry, see you, brother. Bang. You had like a more sort of executive picture up there. Like Popeye. Oh, with the spinach. Yes, indeed. Larry, see you, brother. Bang. You say, dude, you cray-cray. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, because of that thing that I put yesterday. That's right. Voodoo people. That's right. Magic people, voodoo people. Voodoo, hoodoo that you don't dare do, people. The voodoo, hoodoo that you don't dare do, people. Bah. That's what we are. Just a little. Yes, just a little voodoo. How do you make that money, dog? How do you put your money out there, Shamari, and it brings you more money back? Wow. It's just a little voodoo. Inside me and you. All right, let's go on. That's silly. All right, Benham. There, but the bye. Lorna, all in downs. Yes. Love you, Lorna. See you, Lorna. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. She said something funny. She said her boyfriend might propose to marry her because her portfolio is looking so sweet, making her look extra sexy. Dag, all right. You sexy as fuck. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. Yeah. Fucking right. If that brother's smart, he'd have the good sense to ask you. He'd have the good sense to go get him, go take his paycheck and head on over to the jewelry store and get himself a little diamond ring for you. He had some good sense in him. Look, Sloppy, love brother, see you, brother. Bang. The good sense to marry that one. All right, abundantly me. Love brother, see you, brother, and the kid. Bang. Radster. Love brother, see you, brother. Holding down the Prague insurgency in Europe. Bang. Oh, new follower. What we got here? Let me see. Let's see what the fuck we've got here. Collapsar. retweets, not endorsements. I can only about promoting free software and speech. Think for yourself. Tweets automatically deleted. Photo by Hubble Heritage. All right, buddy. Let's see with the bang. Billy. Theropad. Love my special duty. All right. Oh, what is he, like a cop or something? All right. Thank you for your service, sir. Love by the sea, but the bang. Yes. Grunstable, Burnstable. Love by the sea, but the bang. Oh, see, here's where Sloppy said it. he said, the Killzone story is a legacy. Right? I forgot all about that story until yesterday, and then we brought up Fidelity, and I was like, oh, yeah, the Killzone story. I wasn't even going to say it, and then I was like, fuck this, I got to say it. I love that story, right? The fucking picture of the degree right here, right? The guy's college degree there. The picture of the wife and kid right there. And then a picture of him, with some big fish or some fucking something outdoors like that, right? That catches soccer mom and dad. He's smart. He's a family man. And he's a man's man. That's the kill zone. I love that story too, brother. Let's see there. Bang. Whoops. Wait, what happened? Why didn't it bang it? Bang. All right, there we go. So, Kong. Wow. Here's Kong. Love about the sea, brother. Bang. What's he saying? Oh, he's giving a Van Brinen shout. He must be happy about something. Van Brinen. Look. All right, well, since he Van Brinen it, we got to do Fatty. We got to do little Piggy Wiggy. Piggy Wiggy. Look, Piggy Wiggy. Boom. Nigeria bans banks from crypto. Actually, that's not a boom. That's a yeesh. Ernst & Young deploys on China's blockchain through Ethereum. Boom. Pont Lego gets the OCC charter to be a national bank. Boom. All the stuff's going on. And when we get regulation, your portfolio is going to look like. Boom. Yes. Thank you, Kong. Thank you. Bye. All right, we got all manner. Look. Shut up. You see what's there. You see it. Let's get it. Son of a bitch. Bang. Bang. Got you wrong cash. Not but see, brother. No savior. Bang. Technically bullish. Not but see, brother. Bang. Hollywood. Not but see, brother. Bang. Andrew Pacheta. Not but see, brother. Bang. Sunny B. Spy lady. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. Oh, yeah. I've been showing everyone my V-Chain shirt that you sent me. Everyone's like, oh, that's fucking cool. It is cool. All right. Bang. All right. Look at all these followers all of a sudden. I don't know what the fuck all that came from. KJ Gatsby. Love the Chief of the Bang. Muhammad A. Dini. Love the Chief of the Bang. And Sen Newman Noah. What you know about Noah, son? What you know about Noah from the Bible? What made Noah special? Just kidding. Don't worry. I'm not going to get into that right now. I'm cool-headed and unique in my own way. All right. Love the Chief of the Bang. And we got Stallion, Sweetie. Love you, Sweetie. See you, Sweetie. Bang. She's got the red hair. I like girls with colored hair. Right? Red, green, blue. I don't give a fuck. Put some colors in that shit, girls. Fucking right. I love that shit. What's she saying? My head is the game. But there are a lot of API keys I have to connect in order to calculate GLs. It's too much. All right. You'll figure it out. Let me go. See you, girl. Bang. All right. What are GLs? All right. What? Hollywood saying, I love when you talk about stuff in my portfolio. You should, because if I'm talking about it, it's probably because it's making money. I only talk about revenue-generating product around these parts. Yeah, so if you hear something and I'm talking about it, it's in your portfolio, well, that's because it's making money. All right, 2 last ones, and then let's get out of here. Deborah, love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. And the future of supply chain led by the chief of the bank. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get back to the Death Star. Yes. All right. So we had a great show for you today. All right. We had to start on a rough note. I don't like to read this kind of stuff. And actually, I have some more regs I got to read to you tomorrow. And we'll get around to that when we get around to that. So Nigeria bans banks from crypto service. So it is what it is. I mean, that's it. You know, the Nigerian central bank said, no bueno. No go. This mission's a wrap. And so we'll see. But what was interesting is just like what happened in India. You know, India's central bank, the RBI, the Royal Bank of India, they banned their banksters from servicing the crypto industry. And then the crypto industry took the Royal Bank of India to court. We read about it here. We followed it extensively here, actually. Well, the crypto people won. Yeah, the Supreme Court of India told the Central Bank of India, who the fuck do you think you are? You're not allowed to tell banks they're not allowed to do crypto stuff. You're the central bank. Your job is to raise interest rates, lower interest rates, and print money when necessary. It's not to mess with the banks. Like here in America, right? Like the Fed Reserve can't tell the banksters, yeah, you're not allowed to fuck with crypto anymore. You're not allowed to do that. That'd be the OCC. Well, if the OCC says it, well, yeesh. Don't worry, they're not saying it, as we just read. Actually, and I'm going to get to that in a second. But yeah, right? It's not the Fed Reserve's job to do that. You're the Fed Reserve. Your job is to print money, burn money, raise interest rates, and lower interest rates. That's your job. You know, to provide, what is it, for full employment and, you know, fiscal soundness. That's your job, not to tell banksters what to do. And so, long-winded way of saying, well, hopefully the crypto people in Nigeria get together and you know, sue the Nigerian central bank, take them to court, and say you're not allowed to do that. I mean, I don't know if they're not allowed to do that. I mean, that maybe they are allowed in their country. You know, our bank isn't allowed, and the Indian bank wasn't allowed. I don't know what, you know, every central bank is different. So, you know, you don't know what powers they have, but so we'll see. And like I said, though, the big thing is, you know, right now, Africa is booming. Africa is the new Asia, right? Everyone's just running over there making shit tons of money. And especially China is just pumping in billions of dollars. And so, you know, a lot of disposable income, a lot of new money rolling in. Well, it wouldn't be bad if some of that new money rolled into some Bitcoin or some VeChain or some Stellars or IOTAs or something. So we'll keep our eye on it, but for now, looks like shit. All right, bang. But now let's get some happy stuff. Ernst & Young deploys on China's blockchain service network. So they're going to deploy on it, and they're going to use Ethereum to do it. And that one company, right, had all those weird letters. Fino, what the fuck was it called again? Fisco, BCOS, whatever, man. I don't know what the fuck that all is. But so it looks like they're partnered with this Fisco BCOS, which will let them get regulatory compliant to use the China-only portion of the China Blockchain Services Network. But then they'll be allowed to unleash, you know, obviously to the rest of the world on it, right? Remember, there's two things to that China Blockchain Services Network. There's the China version, which they control. You know, the Communist Party. We're watching what you're doing, miscreants. But then there's the other version of it where, have at it, fuckstick. And, you know, for people around the world, you know, if you're a German company, you're any kind of, and for anywhere, you do whatever you want. And so, like we said, Ernst & Young said that they're going to introduce Ethereum to all their clients, Fortune 500 clients, right? Because of no vendor lock-in. No vendor lock-in. Ethereum sucks, Shamari. Ethereum sucks, Shamari. It only does 14 transactions a second. Yeah, well, how many fucking transactions do you need, fuckstick? What are you, Visa, MasterCard? You need 1,000 a second? Why? Fucking grow up. So Ernst & Young, no vendor lock-in. That's the key. That's what corporations care about. They don't give a fuck about 1,000 transactions a second. It's not going to help them. The fuck, if I'm an insurance company, what the fuck I need 1,000 transactions a second for? You know what I mean? I mean, unless all my policy holders are dying off at a rapid rate, you know, I'm not going to have to worry about that. So anyways, Ernst & Young, #1 accounting firm in the world, deploys on Ethereum and into the China Blockchain Service Network. So Ethereum hodlers, buy. And then finally, Protogo gets OCC charter as a national bank. And so that's what we're seeing, right? The OCC unleashed the banksters to custody crypto, but this is the second one. They've licensed crypto custodians to become banksters, not full banksters. So they're not allowed to, take public accounts yet. I'm assuming yet. Or else why do it? You know, if no one can use it, then what the fuck are you going to do it for? And so I think businesses could probably bank with them for now, but anyway, that's how it is. You know, the custodians are getting smart and just being like, yeah, well, why don't we just become banks? Yeah, why don't we just comply with some regs and be a bank, right? And so, bang, you know. Bang, that's it. So that's good enough. That's it. So let's shill it and kill it. Bang, let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Yes. In the multiverse. Look, my name's Shamar Clark. Love talking money. Bang. Love talking crypto. Bang. It's the favorite time of my day. So thanks for having me in your home, and I will see you tomorrow for another crypto-filled day of cryptoness. But until then, subscribe here. Bye. Watch that video here. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow. My name's Shamar Clark. I'm always on duty, and I am always watching our money. Bye. Over and out.